Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I show you a big phone, a huge phone that I make from cardboard. Can you get what it is? This is iPhone 11. iPhone 11 is very big. It huge. It huge. Okay, you see? I make this phone from cardboard. It's huge. It's so big. And this is application, many application. Okay, very big. iPhone 11 has three camera, Apple logo, volume, okay, on off, with the rabbit ear screen. So this video I show you this huge phone, and if you like that video, please press share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to make this phone, this iPhone 11, you can watch another video that I already upload to my channel. That video I show you step by step to make this phone. I think it's easy, it's not difficult. Okay, goodbye, thank you for your watching.